It is never too late to return to the village and make use of the land to turn that dream into a reality. This is the key to success for Tebita Kotoila Kemba, a prominent farmer at Virro village in Ovalau, who has been earning thousands from his Yangona and Dalo harvest. Josai Nanunga with tonight's success story.
This week, FBC News travels to Virro village, a 30-minute drive from the old capital Levuka, to meet Tebita Kotoila Kemba, who left his job in the city to become a full-time farmer.
I graduated with my diploma in automotive and engineering in 2006. I was selected to act in the position of technician and tutorial assistant at FIT. A year later, I left and joined LTA for 3 years before moving back to Levuka and worked for PEFCO for at least 2 years.
Since starting his farm in 2014, Kotoila Kemba has planted hundreds of Yangona plants on the hills of Virro and couldn't dream of the earnings he is making. He's also invested in yasi, or sandalwood.
While working at PEFCO, I saw how village youth invest in kaba farming, and they can earn over $1,000 a week. I was motivated by a youth member to partake in this activity. Hence, I resigned from work and I took up commercial agriculture, which is way better than working in offices and factories.
From office work to swinging the knife on the farm, Kotoila Kemba is enjoying his time and has no regrets about leaving the hustle and bustle of city life.
I start off the day at 6 a.m. with breakfast, and I make it my business daily to reach the farm before 8. I strictly monitor my daily schedule. I ensure no time is left wasted. I finish my work at around 4 p.m. to ensure I spend the rest of the afternoon with the people at home and the village.
The 43-year-old says being a farmer requires commitment and dedication, but for jobless youth in urban centers, returning to the village and tilling the land is the best solution.
If anyone wants to thrive in this business, he or she must be a disciplined person and remain committed. Especially during these trying times, Solevaki and commercial agriculture is critical among youth to ensure they earn money.
Kotoila Kemba collects thousands of dollars a month from Yangona sales alone, topped up by Ndalo sales. The money is enough to meet his family's need and put a little aside for a rainy day. Josai Nanunga, FBC News.